Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Microsoft Corporation, a tech giant that's leading the charge in cloud computing and AI innovation. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Microsoft Corporation reported strong financial results for the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2024, driven by robust performance in its cloud and AI segments. The company achieved a revenue of $64.7 billion, a 15% increase year over year, and an operating income of $27.9 billion, also up 15%. Net income rose by 10% to $22 billion, with diluted earnings per share at $2.95. Microsoft Cloud revenue reached a record $36.8 billion, marking a 21% increase. The company returned $8.4 billion to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $64.7 billion, which represents a 15% increase compared to the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted earnings per share (EPS) for the current quarter was $2.95, which is a 10% increase compared to the same period last year. Non-GAAP EPS figures were not provided in the article.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Productivity and business processes revenue was $20.3 billion, up 11% year over year. Intelligent Cloud revenue was $28.5 billion, up 19% year over year. More personal computing revenue was $15.9 billion, up 14% year over year.
Are there any emerging segments that are gaining traction?
The article highlights the significant growth in Microsoft Cloud, with quarterly revenue of $36.8 billion, up 21% year over year, driven by Azure and other cloud services.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Microsoft highlighted its focus on innovation and meeting mission-critical needs across its platforms, particularly in AI. The company also emphasized its record bookings and significant growth in Microsoft Cloud revenue.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges include intense competition, execution, and competitive risks in cloud-based and AI services, significant investments that may not yield expected returns, cybersecurity threats, regulatory challenges, and economic uncertainties.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The article does not provide specific revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Microsoft's overall performance is strong, driven by significant growth in its cloud and AI segments. The company has demonstrated robust financial health with increased revenue, operating income, and net income. Strategic initiatives and innovation continue to position Microsoft as a leader in the tech industry.
That's all for today's analysis of Microsoft's impressive performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Microsoft is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.